point B is 3 spaces right and 1 space below the point A. Now the coordinates of point A are given -1, -2. So point B lies in quadrant which one? Sure, it's like this. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now A is where? -1, -2. So -1 for x and -2 for y. So it will be in third quadrant. Now 3 spaces right. So -1. So it will go from here. It should be 5 spaces right. So 5 spaces. So -1 and then 5 on the right side. It will go up to 4. So 4 is the x coordinate and 1 space below point A. So A is in y on y terms, how much it is? In ordinate is -2, so 1 below. So -3. So B 4 -3. So it will be in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Second one is point B is 20 spaces left and 0.16 spaces above the point A. The coordinates of point A are given 20 and 0.16. So the point B lies, means where does it lie? See this, point A is 20 and 0.16. So 20x, so axes are 20 and 0.16y. So just a little bit above the x-axis. Now point B is what? 20 spaces left. So it will be over here on y-axis. Right, because 20 minus 20, it will become 0, so it will come on y-axis, and 0.16 above. So 0.16 above, it's already 0.16 over here and then 0.16 above. So point B lies on y-axis. Okay. Next one, point B is 15 spaces right and 15 spaces above from point A. The coordinates of point A are given -15 and 0. So the coordinate of B, point B are, here this is -15 and 0. Y coordinate is 0. Ordinate is 0. So this will lie on x-axis. So it's on x-axis.